Hello again. Some of you who have been following my videos know that I'm doing like a burst effect. It's going to have a vintage cream and a Daphne blue kind of burst going around the edge. I'm actually thinking now about having a third colour in there, sit in between those two. And I'm thinking of green. This is the closest. I've got some colour pencils here. And this is the closest one I have that I think is to surf green. I think that would look quite nice in there. I also have, I guess, does that look a bit like Seafoam Green, maybe? Well, they both look good actually, don't they? And I've got this one that looks more like Sherwood Green, so let's put that one in there. Yeah, not the Sherwood. What do you guys think? I actually don't have this paint yet, so I'm going to need to order it, like the green. But what do you think? Vintage cream, Daphne blue with surf green, or with seafoam green? I think the seafoam green will stand out more. And bear in mind, it's only like you see the red lines on a strat. It's very thin, isn't it? So that would stand out more. But I think the surf green accompanies it better, if that's even the right word. I just think it matches better with the blue and the white than the seafoam. I mean, they all look good though. Let me know what you think down there in the comments, what you would go for. You don't actually see a lot of opaque burst guitars. I think Paul Reed Smith has got a few, and there may be a few others, but there's not a lot of them. And I don't think I've seen a 3-colour burst in opaque that is all opaque, because even at the strats, the sunburst is not opaque in the centre, the amber. You can let me know what you think down there in the comments. Or is there some other colour grabbing your attention that would go well with those? The orange would stand out, and a yellow would look nice with them as well. Oh god, I'm making this harder for myself now, aren't I? Alright, I better stop here. I'm thinking the green, unless a bunch of you say don't do it. But yes, that's worth, I think I'm at with this. Please let me know in the comments, would you rock out a guitar with a vintage cream, surf green and Daphne blue burst? Let me know.